Jessie. What are you doing, Jess? Talk to Mama. Jessie.
What do you got to say, Miss Jess? What do you got to say? What do you have to say for yourself? Hey.
What else? What, Jess? And? Do you want a snacky, Jessie? Jess. Really? You do? You want a snack? You want a snacky? Talk to us, Jess. Talk. Talk, talk, talk.